Is it time to change your air filter on your Ranger 1000? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen and this is Maintenance Matters. We're going to start by lifting the bed. You're going to loosen these 3 clips here to access your air box and your air filter. Remove your air box lid. Grab your filter, slightly pull on it and it'll come loose. Slide it out of place. Set that aside. Wipe your air filter box out. Make sure there's no dirt or dust inside of there. You want it as clean as can be. Do the same with your air box lid. Check the seal on the outside. That needs to be in good shape. If not, get a new one from your dealership. Next, inspect your air filter. Check for any damaged or wet fins, any excess dust, dirt, or debris stuck to it. You might need to replace it. This one's fairly new and is still in pretty good shape, so we're going to use an air gun to blow any excess dust out that we may not see. Now you can reinstall the air filter. Slide it down into place. Press on it. You should feel it seat back in. Now you can reinstall your lid. Now you can close your bed, and that's how easy it is to change the air filter on your Ranger 1000. Thanks for watching.